Today's video is going to be another 4-minute bodyweight Tabata workout that you can easily do at home that is going to melt fat like butter. Tabata workout consists of 8 exercises with 20 seconds on and 10 seconds off, and that's 1 round. And you can do as many rounds as you need it, but just do your best. Before we get into workout, warm up your body, make sure you have water. Let's get to it.
Welcome to Tabata. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Round 1. Three, two,